So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unmute messages on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on inbox, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now you can see your muted message available here. So tap on message until you will see the option of unmute. So tap on it. Now see, your message has been successfully unmuted from TikTok. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.